Western Hotel. It's an older Otis. This is in Charlotte, North Carolina, by the way.
Yep.
Watch that red LED number.
Yep. Oh, it went down to 2.
Yep, I think it's coming.
Yep. And now it's at 1. Yep. Now maybe somebody in it, so we'll do it top. Okay.
Yeah, how you doing, Mario? This is
What floor?
2.
2.
And we're going up to 3.
Thank you.
Hi, how are you doing?
Say hi.
Okay.
Okay, hold the door open.
Thank you.
Thank you. Y'all have a great
You
day.
do the same.
Get a cab view while we're alone. Pass the mirror. I see TJ's back. There you go. TJ elevator fan.
Yep.
Yeah.
With his bell.
Real small handrail. Yep.
1.
Okay. We're at 3.
Door close button does not work in this elevator.
Okay. Yeah. Go down to 2 and then 1.
Yep.
Are we going to end at 2 or what are we going to do?
We can end down here at 1.
It's got a rotary phone. Look at there. That's different.
Yeah, that's what you call that.
Yeah. Okay, and there's the fixtures, and the light just went out. And let's end at 2, okay? Since the lobby is kind of busy. Okay.
Okay.
So we tried to end at 1 last time, and there were people wanting to get on, weren't there?
Yep.
So we'll go to 2.
Basic elevator with a mirror in the back, and it says no smoking.
And it says Otis up there. Yep. Okay. And there's TJ in the mirror. TJ elevator fan.
That's it.